Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use TikTok analytics to grow in 2025. So if your videos aren't getting any views or you are posting randomly, TikTok analytics will show you exactly what actually works, what doesn't, and how you can grow faster. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your TikTok application. Once you do so, simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see these three lines in the top right hand corner. So tap on it first, then simply come here in the settings and privacy of your account. Now over here, the first option would be of account. So this is what we want. After tapping on it, you will see the option of switching to business or a creator account instead of switching to the personal account. So currently I'm using the business or the creator account, but in order to unlock the analytics, you will have to first of all switch your personal account to the business or the creator account. So this is the first step that you need to do. Now here you need to simply just go back and tap on the option of analytics that you see here on this page. Now in the overview tab, you need to simply just look for the view trend, like are you growing or you are dropping, your followers gained, like which days it was spiked, the likes and the dislikes. It is going to show you the engagement equals algorithm push. So this helps you understand whether your content strategy is working weekly, monthly or daily. Then when you tap on the option of content tab here on the top, you can check each video. Simply we just focus on the average watch time, the full watch rate and rewatch rate. If the videos drop early, your hook needs the improvement. For 2 seconds, you can decide it everything. After that, we have the option of followers. So when you tap on the option of the followers tab, you will check the audience demographics, like the age of your audience, the gender of your audience, the location your audience based in, the active times, top regions, etc. So this way you will be able to start using TikTok analytics to grow in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.